Hey folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mrbeast type of face retouching using ChatGPT. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the plus icon here and we're going to add photos and files. And we're going to look for the image we're going to be using. So I'm going to choose it right from my pictures tab like so, and it's loading it in there. And now I'm going to type a prompt. So what I'm going to type is refine this image with subtle face retouching in the style of Mrbeast thumbnails. Yeah. I'm gonna add some more stuff to it to make it perfect. So we're gonna type enhance clarity, sharpness, and lighting on the face without changing facial structure and expression. Smooth skin naturally, brighten eyes slightly, and increase overall contrast and saturation for vibrant thumbnail ready look. Now we don't want ChatGPT to change how our face looks, so we're going to type something more to that. We're going to type keep my real facial features, tone, and proportions exactly same. Let's add something more here. Just make it clean, high quality, and attention grabbing like MrBeast's YouTube thumbnail. So now when we're done typing our prompt, we're just gonna enter and send it to ChatGPT to work on it. Now this is gonna take some time to create, so we're gonna wait patiently for it to load. Our image is gonna be done. So now GPT is done with the refinements, and you can see our image now. From this, it will give us this. So that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in my next video.